This video is yoga for the wrists. Hi, my name is Jessie, and today we're going to do a yoga sequence that can help you if you experience pain from carpal tunnel or inflammation from the beginnings of arthritis, or if you have a more advanced form of arthritis. Apparently, when my grandmother told me not to crack my knuckles, she really knew what she was talking about. In my 20s, it wasn't that big of a deal, but now that I'm a little older, um, it's gotten to be a little bit bigger of a deal. So we can do this entire sequence seated, so that's really good to know. We don't really need any props today. So we can work on engaging our bandhas, where we engage our pelvic floor muscles, where we just tighten up the muscles down below. And then we can pull in our belly and then draw it up and engage our throat lock. And this will help keep all of the energy within so that it doesn't escape outward as we do yoga. And just working on engaging all of these muscles as we do yoga, because, there just isn't enough going on in all of these poses now, is there? So now that we've done some breathing, we can just slowly bring our hands up, and we're going to open the palms and close them. Open the palms, close them. Keep our pelvic floor muscles engaged. Draw the belly button in and up. We'll do a couple more, and then speed it up. Go as fast as you can. Faster! Faster now! Keep at it. You can do it. I believe in you. And I will testify, I've done this a couple of times this week, and my right knuckle is swollen up a bit from, again, cracking my knuckles, and it seems to be feeling better. So yoga's amazing, huh? All right, good job. Shake it out. Shake it out. Excellent. Now we can do some wrist circles. Just circle them around in one direction. Reverse. Good job. Well done. Next, we're just going to stretch the right arm out in front of us. Make sure it's straight. Just take the fingertips with the left hand, pull it back. Make sure there's no bend in the elbow, and we really want to feel this on the inner wrist on the right hand. Feeling it just pulling those tendons. And then gently put your hands on the knuckles and pull it back towards you. Just hold it for a few breaths. And then switch. And one more time on the right arm. Switch to the left hand now. Have that arm nice and straight. Just pull the fingertips back towards you until you feel a deep stretch on the inner wrist. And then lightly touch the knuckles, pulling it back, feeling it in the outer wrist. Can you hear my stomach rumbling? Switch. And last time. Well done. Shake it out. Do like a doggy paddle. And then go side to side. Again, and then go side to side. Excellent. We can cross the fingers cross the middle finger over the first finger, and then see if you can just stack them all up, just for fun. Ha ha ha, so talented. And then same on the left hand. You may be able to do it on one side and not the other. Or you can do it one at a time like normal people. And then switch. Do it the opposite way. So that the first finger is going over the middle finger goes over the third finger, and the third finger goes over the pinky finger. Switch sides. This one. And then third finger goes over the pinky finger. Not as much dexterity on this side. That's normal though. Good job. And then we can take our hands and we are going to just spread out the fingers, just one at a time. Taking the left hand, stretching them as far apart as you can, and holding for a little bit. Couple breaths. Switch between the middle finger and the third finger. Nanu, nanu. And then the third finger and the pinky finger. And then opening up the thumb so that it's coming in towards the inner wrist. Same thing on the left side, just taking the right hand and forcing open the fingers so that we get a good stretch. You may be surprised at how far your fingers can spread out when they're assisted. And then the third finger and the pinky finger. And then just take the thumb and bring it in towards the inner wrist. And then do some wrist circles. Reverse. Good job. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to take, starting with the right hand, engaging all the bandhas. We're going to just take our first finger and pull it down and back so that we feel a good stretch, not so that there's any pain. And then pull it down and in. Out and back for the middle finger. Pull it out gently and bring it in. The third finger, pull it out and back, out and in. Pinky finger, out and back, out and in. Take the thumb, pull it out, bring it inward, and then bring it down a little bit. Left side now. First finger, out and back, out and in, out and back, out and in. Third finger, same thing. Pinky finger, pull it out, bring it back, pull it out, pull it in. Good job. Bring it out, in, and then bring it down towards the inner wrist a bit. Excellent. Do some wrist circles. And one more time. Squeeze the palms. Speed it up. Faster, faster. And then shake it out. And flap your hands again. Excellent, well done. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share. You can check me out on Instagram. And thank you so much. May love and light be yours today. Namaste.